Cold start. Don't want to rev the snot out of it while it's cold, but sounds good to me. Oh yeah, music to my ears. Right there. It's been surprisingly warm actually for December and into January. It's been surprisingly warm, but it's definitely not going to be like this every day. Anyway, I'm going to uncover her, charge her up, show her a little bit of love today. Oh, the car cover's frozen down. There she is. Oh yeah. So I've had the solar panel hooked up to the battery, but it has not been sunny at all. The battery's weak. I'm gonna try it again, but I don't have much faith in that solar panel because we've had no sun. But yeah, let's try it before I hook up the charger. Start. I guess the solar panel does work on the cloudy days. No battery charger required. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Haven't heard that sound in a little while. A couple months. Definitely gonna have to get it up on ramps again or something. I think I'm going to let it warm up a little and charge up a little. The alternator will do a better job. See the LED lights on, maybe that kills the battery. Rev the snot out of it while it's cold, but sounds good to me. Oh yeah, music to my ears. Right there. So I've got the 4th gen Camaro FireBird rad and electric fans. 2005 Suburban 5.3 liter L59. That's the flex fuel version of the 5.3. But I took the flex fuel rail off and changed the throttle body. So I'm running a return style fuel rail on it. Definitely gonna have to do something about this. Last year it was just full of ice and water like this. I had it up on ramps last year. So I might have to do that again. Sounds good down here. I was gonna put down some gravel in the fall, and clearly that never got accomplished. This side here is like the low side, I guess, and the wheel is already in water. That's frozen down, I think. There's some ice underneath of there. Took out the headliner, so the seatbelt clip has come down. Took the back seats out a while ago and I just never put them back in. I dyed the carpet with that duplicolored vinyl dye. Swap meet steering wheel. I got another one of these at the most recent swap meet. Billet carbon, billet aluminum carbon shifter. I got these pedals for a gift, so I put the pedals on. I got the floor mats for a gift, so I put those in. Yeah, I got the old toggle switch for the electric fans for now. It's cold as hell today, so I'm not running the electric fan, but that's, I don't know, that's for now, but that's okay, I guess. As long as I don't forget to turn it on or turn it off. I might run that off of a temperature switch later. So I've been using the new iPhone that I got on Black Friday for $0. Been using that to make videos with. It makes pretty decent video, but one thing I hate is when my phone rings when I'm trying to make some content or trying to record and the phone rings. Oh, I hate that. Anyway, I'm going to cut these to 12-inch lengths, and I'm going to see if I can fit them together in a fashion that makes the car up higher off the ground, make some blocks. Maybe next time I'll make some ramps and I'll do like a how-to video or something. These probably won't be ramps, but we'll see what I can come up with here in a minute. Okay, this one doesn't have a dust bag on it. Oh, that might work. Okay. Make some sawdust. coming for you, buddy. Uh-oh. I think they're coming for you. Here's my first 3. I'm using a tiny little bit and it barely fits in there, but it's all I could find. Alright, I really want to sink the head down, so that way if I put my tire on there, it's not going to be into the head of the screw or anything. That's pretty cool. I think if I put this side down, then that would be okay. I don't really need 3 there. And this can be the top. So that's 6 inches tall. I think that would be enough. And pretty sturdy enough. Just made from scraps. It's only 12 inches by 12 inches. And I'm just going to jack the car up and slide this underneath. I could build a ramp out of this, but maybe I'll do ramps next time. Made up 2 of these, and I'm just gonna do the rear end for now because she's pretty wet right here on the rear end, more so than the front. The front's up on a little bit of a hill. So I put the jack underneath the center pot of the rear end. I'm just gonna jack it up. I think she was frozen. The wheels were frozen down, I think. She's wet. Wet under there. I think that tire is actually low on air pressure as well. Oh, that's what she looks like. I tried to get them to sit kind of level, so there's ice and uneven ground, mud and rocks. So I just put them somewhere where I think they would sit level. That yoga mat is still, I think it's frozen down in this corner here on the driver's side. And it's not hard to tell that the driver's side tire is low on air pressure. But she runs, she hibernates. She's not going anywhere till the springtime anyway. That's what she looks like. I think these are plenty strong enough. And maybe sometime in the future I'll do ramps, how to build ramps.